3, 2, 1, fight, robots, fight! Both meet in the center of the arena. Crunchberry looking like it has a little more control this time. Crunchberry was incredibly fast in its last fight. Crunchberry, however, is just like a rocket out there, zipping around the arena, now underneath the Dust Bunny, spinning it around, thwacking it left and right. And Crunchberry giving the Dust Bunny a ride across the arena. Dust Bunny has one of the more unique strategies among the robots in the competition. It's looking to trap its opponents in the center of its dustpan design and pinch it with the ears, however, not very effective, exposing its rear end to Crunchberry. Crunchberry with a big shot. Crunchberry still spinning around. There you see the unique design of Dust Bunny. In some arenas, they do have push-outs, or what we like to call pits, where you could shove them out of the arena, and that would be a quick knockout. However, this is a fully enclosed arena, so Dust Bunny not able to use its #1 advantage. 30 seconds remain in this highly epic carnage-filled bout between the two most menacing robots, Crunchberry and Dust Bunny. This has been a great exhibition of amazing driving between the two birthday kids out here. 10 seconds, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This fight is over.
Very close fight.